Makita holiday deals 2021 are live online. Go get them because they will sell out. Trust me, we had this before happen to a lot of you out there. Tell me that these deals sell out and you didn't get it. Well, here's your chance. If you're watching this video, jump on it ASAP. Any of these deals, make sure you guys check out my DeWalt, my Milwaukee video. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. So help out the channel by doing so. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. So we're at the Home Depot website here. We're going to leave you the links to all these deals down below in the description section. I will put the price as in so you guys can tell the difference. This is one of the good deals, one of the best deals to get with the Makita. And check this out. So this one, you're going to get two 4 amp hour batteries, a charger. This is a fast charger. I do have this charger, by the way. This is a vented charger, by the way. As you guys see here, it does have some vents. This thing would vent. It says 45 minute. I didn't even know this. 45-minute charge time. Yeah, this is crazy. These are fast chargers. Trust me. All right, so you're gonna get two batteries, a charger, and a bag. Contractor grade bag. I do have one of these bags. The bags are great. I got all these, and they're great. Just great stuff. Makita solid. All right. So you're gonna go up here, and you're gonna select your free tool. You can select from many of these. Guys, this blower is awesome. All these tools are awesome. They're just great tools. Solid. Contractor grade professional level. You got 160 mile per hour, 459 CFM. That's high right there. CFM 18 volt lithium brushless cordless blower. 129. Valued at 129. Or you can get for free is the 18 volt lithium half an inch brushless cordless hammer drill. This is a hammer drill, so 129. Or you can get the 18 volt brushless cordless impact driver, 119. Valued at 119. Guys, we got the. Is this the X-Lock? No, it's not the X-Lock. 18 volt LXT brushless cordless 4.5 5-inch cutoff angle grinder, 139. You got the 18 volt lithium brushless drywall screwdriver with push drive, 169. You got the 18 volt lithium brushless cordless variable speed compact router with built-in something, 129. You got the 18 volt lithium cordless 5-inch random orbit sander, 119. Guys, make sure you guys choose the most expensive tool so you can get the most out of your money, out of your $179. Obviously, if you don't need the tool, if you already have it, choose the next tool down that's more expensive, or the one that you need, because yeah, if you need it and choose it. You save you a couple bucks there. A few bucks there. All right, so you got the sander there. You got the cordless inflator, 99 bucks. This is not the best deal to get with this, tell you the truth. Anything that's 119, anything that's higher, 129, even the more higher the better. $99, that's pretty much you're pretty much saving about $10 or $20 on this one. All right, so you can get the jigsaw. This is the cordless jigsaw. You can get the cordless reciprocating saw. Same thing. These are both the same. I don't know why they have it. Maybe it's different. I can't tell the difference. This is cordless reciprocating saw. Yep. You can get the lithium cordless variable speed oscillator multi tool. Or you can get the handheld vacuum. Yes, guys. Is this the X-Lock? Yeah, this is the X-Lock, guys. X-Lock angle grinder is available to hack. Make sure you guys pick them up. Get them. These are the new X-Lock. If you guys don't know what X-Lock is, you have a button or a lever here. A latch here. You lift that latch and that thing just drops. And you don't even have to keep doing the latch. And just click on the new disc, or click on the new disc. Just grab the disc and push it towards the tool, and it locks on. That's how convenient this thing is. It's just awesome. That is one of the tools I will definitely jump on this if you're on this deal. If you want to move into this platform, this is the best one. $159. Like I said, the most expensive tools are the ones to get. And this is the ratchet, guys. Same thing with this ratchet. This thing's it's expensive, and it's something that you want to have. This is a 3/8, a quarter of an inch, 18 volt lithium XT cordless square drive ratchet. Tool only, valued at $159. I believe this one has the adapter you can put in here, which will make it 3/8 or quarter inch drive. Guys, you select any of these. Let's choose the angle grinder here. This is the one I would dream to get in my dreams. Hopefully I'll get it one of these days. I might get it. Because these are, check this out, guys. $84 for this angle grinder. Down from $159 to $84. That is a killer deal, guys. Go get them. Get them before they sell out. They will sell out. Trust me. Alright, so you got the 2 batteries, the charger, and the bag. You're going to get that $94. That's a great deal on that. You know, these batteries by themselves are like $150, $140. Just each battery by themselves. So getting 2 batteries, the charger and a bag for $94, that's just killer deal. Alright, so however you want to do it, I will definitely keep both of these. These are just awesome deals. Disregard the $777. I got more tools. And if you guys haven't checked out my other videos from Milwaukee and DeWalt, make sure you guys check them out. I'll leave the links up above here on the description section, or on the, not on the description section, but up here on the corner for you guys to look at. Awesome deals on all those too. Alright guys, so you're going to get the Makita. Alright, so if you want to hack this, which I suggest you not do it, because these are great prices. Trust me, great prices. But if you already have too much of this or too much of that, you just want to keep the batteries or the tool, the one that you're going to keep, you're going to ship it to the, let's say I want to keep this one. I'm going to ship this to my nearest store, a store near my house, obviously. It's not this one, by the way. So I'm just putting it, this as an example. So we're going to ship it to the store. You're going to change the store to the one that you want, or the one that you see that has it. And the tool that you do not want, you're going to ship it to home, which this one doesn't give you an option. So if it doesn't give you an option like this on these tools, just ship it to the store, guys. Just ship it to the store. It does not matter. Just ship it to the store, and when you get to the store, just get the tool that you want, leave it on the truck, and walk back in, or walk to another Home Depot if that's what you want to do. Walk to another Home Depot and just return your item. Just give them the order number, and just give them the tool, brand new tool that you did not net. The brand new package that you did not open. You give that back to them, and they'll give you back your money, your $94, and let you keep this tool for $84. That's the way you would do it. If you want to keep this, and you want to, obviously you don't want that, you can ship it to home. Ship that to home and ship this to the store. And if you guys are going to cancel it, make sure you guys cancel it within like 10 minutes. Because after that it will not let you cancel it. So after I click on the checkout button and everything, paid everything, you're gonna get an email automatically on your email. Make sure you guys go to your email and go status of order, and make sure you guys click the cancel button on that, and it'll cancel the one that you choose to ship to the house. And then you can go pick up this one at the store if that's what you want to do. Like I said, I don't suggest you guys do that, because these are great deals. Oh, and by the way, before I let you guys go, we got more deals, guys. Not just that one. Alright, so we got the rear handle. You guys could do the same thing with the rear handle. It's $249. You guys could choose your free tool. It says right there, free tool. You can select. Alright, select that one. Apple to cart. Alright, so you guys could do the same thing with this one. Definitely check it out. Awesome deal with that one. There's another one you guys could choose. Let me just choose right here. Alright, so this was the other valued at $249. So it just depends on what you want to get. This is a solid deal. I do have this kit by this kit itself. This is an awesome kit. Let me tell you, it's just great. Nothing but great tools here. And then the rear handle, obviously the rear handle is probably one of the best ones to get too, because if you do a lot of construction, if you could do a lot of remodels, this is a beast, guys. Definitely go get it, guys. I'll leave all these links down below in the description section. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this and make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube works the platform by subscribing and likes, and we'll see you guys on the next one.